Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change the time zone in Google Calendar. This is a quick and easy method that works in the latest Google Calendar interface in 2026. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. On the left side, make sure General is selected, then click Time Zone. Here you will see the primary time zone option. Click the drop-down menu and search for the time zone you want. For example, if you are in Bangladesh, select Bangladesh Standard Time, GMT+6. Once you select the new time zone, Google Calendar saves the change automatically. There is no save button, so the update happens instantly. If you work with people in another country, you can also show a second time zone. Turn on Display Secondary Time Zone, then choose another time zone, such as Eastern Time or Pacific Time. You can also change the time zone for a single event. Open any event, click the pencil icon to edit it, click the time zone next to the event time, choose a different time zone, and click Save. That's it. This is how you can change the time zone in Google Calendar and manage events across different countries. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Calendar tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.